What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a how-to video where we'll be showing you how to fix your keys. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications because you don't want to miss any of our uploads. We upload on a Wednesday and a Sunday, and we've got build videos, we've got how-to videos, and also we've just started the brand new Road to Super series. And if you haven't checked that video out already, we'll leave a link in the description. So let's get on with the video.
So guys, at some point we've probably all experienced a broken key. Now this could be anything from a battery, to a duff micro switch, to a dirty fuse board. Most of the time it's only the battery. Yours sounds a little bit more sinister, so we thought we'd make a video. We'll take you through some of the most common problems and see if we can save you some money, because going to the dealership for keys, you know yourself, it can be a couple £100 or more. So let's get into this, let's get this key open and we'll point out some of the most common faults and how you can fix them. Okay guys, the first thing you're going to want to do is remove any key rings off of your key. Now what you'll probably find in the corner where the key rings attached will be a gap in the key where you can put some kind of implement in, whether it be a screwdriver or a knife in the kitchen drawer. Just to put in, give it a quarter turn and that will separate the key. Now when you open up the key, you'll probably find if you don't hold it, the blade will spring out, but don't worry, we'll be able to put that back in later. Now that the key is in two halves, you've got the lid which contains your rubber buttons, and you've got the actual body of the key which contains the blade and the circuit board for the micro switches on it. Now if you pop the circuit board out, sometimes they're clipped in, sometimes they're held in with a wee tiny Phillips screw. And there's the problem with your key. We'll have a wee look at that in a minute, that looks like it's fell off you somewhere. Underneath your circuit board is where you'll find your battery. It's a simple case of popping that out and clipping a new one in if you want to replace that. And 9 times out of 10 that's with a problem with a key that doesn't work. You can pop on your Amazon, pick up one of the batteries for a couple of £2, swap the battery, and that's you done, you've saved a fortune to deal with. Now, looking at the circuit board, you can see clearly that we've got a contact that's came off the board there, and that looks like the positive for the battery. That should be soldered onto the circuit board there and it's came off. That's not so much a common problem, but again, it's an easy fix, we can solder that back on. If you look at the other side of the circuit board, you'll see the micro switches. Now when you press in each one of these, you should hear them click. Like so. If they don't click, they're either fully gummed up with dirt or they're worn out. One of the easiest ways to do this is to get an old toothbrush with some electrical cleaner, and you can spray it on, clean these out, make sure they're dry, put the key back together and then test it. A lot of the time it'll work fine. If the worst comes to the worst and one of the micro switches don't work, they're not clicking, and cleaning it out doesn't help, again you can find these micro switches on Amazon for a couple of £2 and they're easily soldered onto the board as well if you've got a solder man. So now that we know the problem with your key, we can get ahead, solder this back on, put the key back together, and then we'll test it out. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to warm up the solder that's on there already, and just add a tiny wee bit extra, just to hold it back on. So now we've got the solder on the circuit board sorted, we've added a wee bit extra on. What what we're going to do is put the battery contact back on top of them, and then all we do is use a soldering iron to touch the contact points on the battery connector. That will melt the solder and stick the battery connector back onto the circuit board. We'll start with the front one and then do the back to it. So guys, when you're reassembling the key, what I find's best is to put the circuit board back into the button side of the key first. Now, it can be a wee bit more temperamental to put it back together, but what it does do is lets you hold it in place and make sure you've got all the buttons lined up to make sure they click. If they don't click, they're not lined up properly. Now you've got that nicely in there. You need to fold, if you've got a key blade, you need to fold that back in, because it's the outer cover that actually holds the blade in. So you've got the two halves ready, it's just a case of clipping them together and making sure everything lines up nice. And there you go, we're all back together. The blade still works. Do all three buttons still work? Yep, they all sound great. Now we can go test it in the car and see if it's worked. Okay guys, now we've got the key fixed. Let's give it a wee try. Opens, locks, opens, locks. Let's just make sure we start up okay. Spot on. Guys, thanks again for watching this week's video. It was just a wee quick and dirty key video just to try and help people save a bit of money and save their keys, because these can cost a fortune if you go to the dealerships for them. If you need any of the equipment that we've used in the videos, soldering iron, batteries, micro switches, you can head on over to the Your Home Built website, and if you click on the stuff we use page, you'll find everything on there, all through Amazon, and we get a little kickback as well, which really helps the channel out. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, it's completely free of charge. Make sure the notification bell's on so you get notified when we upload, because we do upload these how-to videos a couple of times a month. We've also got the build series with the Lupo and everything, and we've also started the Road to Supra series. You don't want to miss that out guys. We're taking like a £500 car and turning it into £30,000, and we're bringing a Mark IV Toyota Supra to the channel. We don't have a time scale for it, but hopefully it'll be in the near future. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.